So I'm out here at a job today in Engadine for a customer of ours, Michelle. And basically, it was about 2 weeks ago, yeah, Michelle? When you had the storm?
Monday week ago, yeah.
So about a Monday week ago, they had a big storm out here at Engadine, and basically it's a unit complex, right? There's a bunch of them. And what happened is everybody's internet service went out. NBN came out here, did a few bits and bobs, and then people's internet started working again, right? And some people's didn't. Now, what I'm doing, so what this is actually about, this one is that we've just been on the phone to TPG, I would say probably for an hour, okay? Now, a couple of things. Firstly, we had this one plugged in. Now, this is from 2019, and what was happening is we get the WAN light on, the internet light's on, and it all seems like it should be working, right? If you look at the HFC Arius device here, we've got the power, the downstream, the upstream, the online, all working good. Then, because the NBN technician said, oh, it's probably this thing, right? So maybe you should go get a new one. So she went and bought a new one. Took it up to the local computer shop. The computer guys put in, you know, the triple PoE, password, all that type of stuff. Got it all set up for her. And still nothing, right? So when I try and connect, so if I plug my laptop into this thing, right, and then plug it into here, even though it looks like it sure should be working, it's just nothing's happening, right? Now, got on the phone to TPG, went through all the settings, changed everything, updated the password to make sure it was the right password, put the new password in, still getting the same problems. I tried to get the person who escalations at TPG. Generally, what they can do, I know Aussie, it happens really easy on their app. You can just boot off the modem, right? So you can plug directly into this, plug my laptop directly into it to test to see if it's actually a network thing. But she couldn't work out how to do it. She wanted me to change all these settings on my computer and put in username and password. And I'm like, that's not it. It's like really simple, right? And she couldn't work it out. So what I think could potentially be the problem is that when NBN came out here, I've got a feeling they've probably disconnected some of the ports at the MDF, and they may have reconfigured the ports for some cables going, say if this is like unit 2, for instance, they might have plugged the cable in going to unit 15, and then this one's 15 coming to unit 2. Because what happened is when I got the TPG said, she goes, I'm going to reset the NBN device now, and she expected all the lights to go off, but they didn't. They just stayed solid. So I've got a feeling there's a mismatch somewhere. She's had a couple of texts come out, and then basically now they're sort of not fobbing us off, but they're saying NBN is got to monitor the situation, right? Well, if NBN's monitoring it, they're going to see that all these lights are on, right? That everything should be working. So what I'll do now is I'm just going to plug in the Ethernet cable into my laptop and just show you we're getting nothing on here. Okay, we've got the Ethernet icon come up, and say if I try and open up a web page, right, it's just the spinning wheel of doom, right? So nothing happens. So, you know, basically we configured two of these, both of the routers, right, both times. I managed to get out of the new one. It's sort of like the internet worked for maybe about 10 seconds. It sort of started to try and load a page and took about 3 or 4 minutes, and the page eventually loaded. But I have come across this issue once before, or maybe a couple of times in my career, where all the lights say internet's working, you go in, you change all the settings to how they're supposed to be, but nothing ever happens, right? So where we're currently at, the lady from TPG tried to help, but in the end wasn't helpful. So she is now getting a case manager to call my customer, and then if they decide that it's all good, then they'll get NBN out. Now, I'm making this today because this is probably a good chance this is going to be escalated to TIO. And I just wanted to document a few things that we're seeing here with this, because obviously the lights are on, but nobody's home. All right. Hey guys, it's Jason here from Securicom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.